everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'll be guiding you through how to reset your password for your Yahoo account. When you've forgotten your Yahoo account's password and can't seem to remember it during the login process, it can be pretty hectic. So in order to solve the issue, you can easily reset your password to a new one. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin. Start by clicking open any web browser you like. Go to the URL box and type in www.yahoo.com and search. Now you'll end up in the official website of Yahoo. In order to reset your password, you'll need to go and click on the sign in button at the upper right corner. Select your account in order to sign in, or if you'd like to use another account, click on use another account and enter your username, email or your mobile number. Once you do that, click on the next button. If you remember your password, you can easily type it in the text field. But if you've forgotten your password and you would like to reset to a new one, click on Forgot Password link right below the next button. Now, you'll be receiving a verification code to the following number that you used during the sign-up process. Click on Yes, send me a code in order to receive one. Now you'll receive a 6 characters verification code on your mobile number. Type it in the text field. Make sure that you are typing it correct, otherwise you won't be able to reset your password. Now click Verify. Prove that you are not a robot by clicking on I'm not a robot box and complete the task asked to you. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the continue button popping out. Click it on and create a new password. Once you type in your password, click on the eye icon so that you can double check it by revealing it. Now click on continue and you'll be able to reset your password to the new one you just chose. Click on continue one more time. If you'd like to add any secondary email address for your recovery email, type it in the text field. If you don't, click on remind me later. That is how you can easily reset your password to a new one on Yahoo Mail. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.